Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your posts on your account on the profile section on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all you have to enter the Rednote section, the Rednote application I mean, and then go to the profile as you see, and here as you see you can customize your profile section as you like, and as you see here you will find the posts, your posts, and also you find your collects, videos, and the likes. So that's how to find the posts on your account on profile section easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.